As you all know, I'm a sucker for anything green, so I had to get my hands on one of these new DCX sets from Drop. Jasmine is the name of the set, and the kit consists of warm ivory with light and dark green accents. As always, it's really hard to gauge the true color tones from just photos and renders, so I tried my best here to capture the colors in what I thought was most true to life. And as anticipated, the set looked amazing on my dark green TKD Cycle 7. The dark green accent color really pops against the ivory alphas and light green mod keys, nicely tying the colorway together. A few folks asked for sound tests in my previous keycap reels, so here it is. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments.